Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about Wynn Resorts. WYNN is the ticker, and what one could probably see here is a trend, okay, which has been inside a range for the last 17 or 18 odd years. So we are going to discuss about the trend, but before that, if you haven't subscribed my channel, hit on the subscription button and also hit on the notification bell to get the notification of my upcoming videos. Now understand this, although this is the first time when the entire tours and travels and hospitality sector across the globe gets affected by any event. So sometimes it is related to continent, sometimes related to places or country, but not the entire globe has been faced since these kind of things in the last 1 century. So this is indeed very serious, and if you think like this, these things does not happen. So sometimes it sounds illogical, but what sounds logical here is the trend. Okay, although the uh, entire sector is in a mess, but here what we could see is the stock price which is moving inside a range. Okay, so the good thing here is that when the stock moves inside a consolidation range for this long period, one need to understand one thing, that uh, the stock will move inside this trend only. Okay, so you need not to think that something the stock will move like this or that or beyond the range. No, understand this, in this kind of trend, when the stock is consolidating, you just stick with the trend unless the stock moves above or below the level, which means unless the stock makes a breakout or breakdown, it will stay inside the range. So this is that the same point is the positive as well as have the negative impact. So on the upside for this particular stock, you have 253 on the upside and 41.92 on the downside. Okay, so this is the range which one should look for. Unless the stock moves above $254 on the upside or moves below $40, so there is no change in the trend. So if you look at the current trend, you have your first support at 53.84 and next support at 41.92. On the upside, you have your first target or resistance at 89.68. Then you have your next target at $152. Then you have $174, 205, and probably $253 on the upside. So these zones are nothing but the restriction level. So just stay inside the trend, okay, unless the stock makes a move. So what's your levels are 253 on the upside and 41.42 on the downside. If the stock individually or by itself makes a move above or below the trend, obviously you have to move accordingly. So on the downside, if the stock moves below $40, then there is a possibility then the stock could move down to $14 probably in the times to come, in case of a breakdown. In case of a breakout, obviously an entire new trend will definitely start above $254 if the stock make a breakout and sustain above $254. So these two are different scenarios, different poles, different situation, which we need not to think of by our own, because the trend does not allow you to do so. So stay inside the range, stay safe, stay profitable. This is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.